Hey, hello everybody. So it's been a while since I've given a tour of the studio, and it's kind of funny. It started because I had posted a picture on Discord about my two things that I wanted to buy, which I don't have the room for, which were two big Tascam mixers. I'll show a picture of them here. So just so we're going here, this is a model, this is an M30 mixer, which I'm going to move over here. And I was saying that I have nowhere to put stuff, so this is my cassette deck that I have. So this is my rack. This is my one shelf. Well, this is my first shelf. This has got like cables and other paraphernalia, CDs, cassettes, video cassettes. There's a box of Type 2s full. So all this here, my R2D2 cookie jar, which I need to get a new battery for. Under here, you got your 788. Oh no, that's the 2488 there, I think. I think this is the 2488. I'm pretty sure this is the 2488 here. Oh yeah, look at the size of that. That's the 2488 for sure. And then I got this. This does not work, the concert mate here. I was hoping that would be a cool drum machine to have. I have a box here of, this is a toy I bought, which I have not built. I have to build it. There's a fine microphone that I got from Quest for Gear. 2 amps, my acoustic amp, and then this is just like a Fender Rumble here. This is a box of cables. It used to be a tote of cables. Now it's a box of cables. Just some extra stuff there. And then, of course, the drum set. You've seen the drum set before. And then the drum sets, drum paraphernalia, Model 24 case, Model 24. As I've said, if I throw a ball in here, chances are I'll hit a Tascam. So there's my dad's Casio keyboard that he had. There's, I think it's a Korg Triton keyboard. And then my 2 giant speakers, which I was going to sell, which I'm not now. I'm keeping them because I'm using them. Here's my Altura. That's what I use for when I just have fun to play around with on the computer. That's a personal monitor case for a ukulele. Bunch of power bars. I should check what I got in there. Pedals. Pedal 1. Pedal 2. Other junk. I can use this as a reference to figure out what I got up here. So, other junk. Cassette that we're on. That's last year's Fall Song Challenge, or 2 years ago, whatever. Computer. It's raining outside today. You can see that. That's my dad's Tin Man, which has always been there. So, computer. Other stuff set up for doing something this weekend. I have my twin reverb. No, I'm not selling it anymore. Another story I can do. That's a stage monitor, drum mic, drum speaker. My box of goodies to do things. So here's my rack of guitars. I want to get another one and put it here. And then, so cymbal case. Underneath the cymbal case is the 788. In here is the DP, nope, the MFP cassette deck, Porta Studio, and then the 414 in these boxes. That's where I put them. DR3, the drum machine, the Boss drum machine, my Elisa's drum kit, which I take when I do other stuff, my headless basses, the 464, my Hisense Bluetooth speaker, which I love. You can also use this for as a what is it? It's also got inputs on the back, so the rolling cube, the lava lamp. This is just filled with junk, so you got wires, costumes, other electronic stuff, binders. I'm going to get rid of those binders at some point. So that was the rack, gator rack I bought. Got the stuff here. It's from the corn roast I did a couple of years ago. My acoustic guitars, so Fender 12 string, Seagull 6 string, Strat, Fender Strat, Telecopy, and then the Goya. And then we have over here, we have the Fender amp. I still have my friend's Roland amp here right now. That's the old Cube. That is my drum pad set. That's how I carry it around with me. Case for the Model 12, and then the other side of the drum set. So, yeah, then there's a good shot of the rack. See all that there. So yeah, that is my studio. And this is why I have no room. I have enough room to walk around in somewhat. If I want to have other people over, I have to take things out. And this is why I don't have room for a big 24 channel mixer. Okay, I realize there are things that I missed. So, that's my case for my guitar. That's my pedal board right there. This is the 004 in here. This is the 008 in here. I got cases for both of them. And bongos. Alright, so, and yeah, I missed this one. Because I know people are going to say, well, where's the DP32? There's the DP32. And there's the Model 12.
It's getting tough to listen to you when everything you say has a different view. I try to believe what you say, but when I talk to